welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews, brought to you by hollywoodfrodo.com. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be talking to you about this little guy. I'm going to say little in quotes because it's pretty small. As you can see, it just fits right in the palm of your hand, but it is a portable battery pack charger that holds 20,100 mAh of power. That is a lot of power in a very small form factor. So this will charge your device several times. You could charge your device over the course of several days depending on what you're charging with this, or you can charge lots of different things and you have tons of power with this. 20,100 mAh battery pack by JDB. Very awesome product, nice design, has a matte finish on the front and the back with the glossy finish around the sides, so it looks really good. Let's talk about the different features. One of the best, this is equipped with Quick Charge 2.0. So if you have devices that are equipped also with Quick Charge 2.0 capabilities, you can get fast charging using this. You can see when I hook my Galaxy S20 Ultra phone up to this, I am getting fast charging through it. Now let's talk about the different features that it has built into it. You've got a micro USB port here on the side, and the micro USB port here is just for charging this device. They do include a short micro USB to USB cable in the box that you can use to charge this. Also, you can charge this device using one of these ports. On the top here, you have two standard USB ports and one USB Type-C port in the center. You can use that USB Type-C port in the center to charge this device as well. So you can charge this device using either the micro USB port or the Type-C in the center. The ports on the top, of course, are all used to charge other devices from this device. Now you do also have this button here on the side. When you press that, it lets you know how much power is left. You've got 4 light indicators starting from 100% and going all the way down to 20%. Now behind that 20% LED, there's a second green LED, and that lights up anytime this detects that it is fast charging something. If you connect a Quick Charge 2.0 capable device for fast charging, that light will, little green LED will light up in addition to the white light. It's hard to see because it's really tiny to begin with, and the white light is still on, showing that it has power. So you kind of have to look at it at an angle to see the green. You can hardly see it, but if you're on a phone, of course, you can just see on the phone that you're getting a fast charge because the phone will display that. You can use this to charge 3 devices at one time. And you can see in the video, I was charging 2 sets of headphones and my phone through the Type-C, and while I'm doing that, my phone's still getting the fast charge charging. That's because the 2 headphone devices aren't using that much power to charge. Now you can use any of these inputs for fast charge charging, or outputs for fast charge charging, but you're probably not going to be able to simultaneously do fast charging on 2 devices at the same time, and that's simply because as it does have a maximum output of 18 watts, and if you're charging 2 fast charge devices at the same time, or you're charging in 1 fast charge device and then 2 other devices that require a higher output, then there's just, there's a limitation at how much you can output at one point in time. But you can always fast charge a single device that supports Quick Charge 2.0, or like in my example you saw with charging the 2 headphones and the phone at the same time, because the earbuds aren't using that much power to charge. I was able to do fast charge charging on the phone while charging 2 other devices. So great product. The fact that you can charge 3 devices at the same time, the fact that it has 20,100 mAh, which just by comparison, my phone, which is the Ultra, the Galaxy Ultra, one of the largest batteries in a phone, I believe it's around 4,500 mAh, if memory serves me correctly. So I can charge my phone like 3.5 times with this device. And that's a huge battery. That battery generally lasts me all day. So I could go probably 4 days without ever having to plug my phone into anything else, just using this. And I've used this to charge like a GoPro camera. I've used it to charge my Logitech Harmony remote out in the living room so that I don't have to take it to where a plug is. I've used this obviously to fast charge my phone. It works great for everything. Really good product by JDB. Again, it's the 20 Pro, JDB 20 Pro power bank with the 20,100 mAh and the quick charge 2.0 capabilities. Really awesome device, especially the fact that it's so small. The smallest power bank I've had with that much power. Really awesome. And it is available on Amazon. Of course, I'll have a link in the description below. You can click that link, you can jump over to Amazon, you can read what other people have said about it, and you can pick one up for yourself. Anyway, that's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, feel free to share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget, if you have any questions, something I failed to cover, you can post that in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews, or go ahead and subscribe to my channel and keep up with all my videos. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so have a great day.